Why does Amazon PPC sometimes stop performing well after a restock? Basically, it is because whenever you're making one sale, you're proving Amazon that you're relevant to whatever a customer was searching at the time, and you fit within whatever their search was. So when it comes to running out of stock, you have to warm up the same trust that you previously had. And if you're thinking this way, while this is all based on algorithm and like AI and no warm feelings, there. If you're thinking this way, it's very similar to a relationship. Whenever you are close to someone and then you are going away, and then if you're not talking to that person anymore, it's going to create a gap because they achieved new things, you achieved new things, they had their new goals, you had your new goals, they had their new experiences, you had your new experiences. And if there was not a connect where you synced to say, hey, this is still my friend, this is still listening to me, they are still on the same page, we are still sharing the same values, the same goals, and so on, what's going to happen is that you're going to set yourself apart. And once you're back, you would have to gain back trust. They're very, very rare, the relationships where it's like, okay, I can take it right away from wherever I left it. And we're not talking about that. We're making a case on why, whenever you're going out of stock, Amazon would treat your product as new, simply because lack of relevance. Let me know if that helped.